it is. See it right there?
Yes.
See the number 1? Good job.
Let's find number 2. Oh, here it is. 2. Let's do some camping hacks for kids. We're gonna use this box to make a solar-powered camping oven.
And with that, with the oven, what are you gonna make?
S'mores!
Your marshmallows, your crackers, and finally,
Chocolate.
chocolate.
First, you ask your parents to cut a square on the top of your cardboard box.
Just like this. I'm happy to help. But this is definitely a task for a parent.
Now we're going to line our box with this insulated aluminum foil, but you can also use normal aluminum foil too.
This will help keep the heat inside of it.
Perfect. Now we're going to make our s'mores and put them inside of the oven.
That's right, so you got it.
Here's one right here. It's going to go in right there.
So it's going inside the oven.
Time to make this second one.
Now, ideally, you would use cardboard that's black, or you would somehow make your cardboard black, because it would work better, because black surfaces absorb more heat than brown, right?
Right.
So now we have that, and now we have to put a way to collect more heat. Because right now, all the heat would just do what?
Bounce back.
Bounce back out the top. So we're gonna put a window on it, and then we're gonna make some solar reflectors to get more heat in.
We use plastic wrap to create this window.
And that'll help keep the heat in. Now we've gotta make a solar reflector, assistant.
Okay, this is our solar reflector. We're gonna put the box right here. That way the sun will hit it and go right into our window. You put the reflector towards the sun. That way it can catch the most rays.
That's right, and there is our solar oven.
So we'll come back when they're ready. Now we're gonna use this invisible ink to make a secret path at night that you can only see with the black light.
Okay, so you have, why don't you go ahead and put your numbers on there, that way you can follow them, right?
Yes.
So that's the number 2.
Yep, that looks good.
Number 1,
This
see it
is-
right there?
3, can you tell it's 3?
Yep.
3.
So finish numbering them, and then we're gonna put them down.
Okay.
And we're gonna hide something so we can find it later.
Perfect. Done.
That's right. So now we can hide them, and then tonight, with this black light, we're gonna find them. What are you gonna hide?
This super cool fidget spinner.
Oh yeah, because somebody would want to grab it. So we're gonna hide it outside, and then tonight we're gonna follow our secret path and find it with this black light, right?
Yes. Let's make our path. Perfect.
Good
We'll
job.
come back and find it at night. Let's make a campsite bird feeder.
First, you're gonna need a pine cone that you just found on the ground and tie a string to the top.
Like this.
Next, you're gonna get one of those to-go peanut butters that you know you travel with. Open it up and take that plastic knife that you have, and you're gonna slather it all around the pine cone. Great job. Make a nice even coat. Great. Looks super yummy. Although this is for the birds, not us. Okay, great job. Now, looks real good. Get that in there. Now, go ahead and sprinkle some bird seed all around it. Great job. Press it in a little bit. There you go. Great job. All right, time for you to hang it.
Let's hang it up. Perfect.
That's a great hack, Mrs. Engineer and Assistant. Let's see if we can find any birds, because they're gonna come and they're gonna want to eat
Oh yeah.
super cool bird feeder.
Now we're going to spice up our campsite by making some glow-in-the-dark pine cones.
So again, it's just pine cones that you find, just like you have for your bird feeder,
Yes, and you have some glow-in-the-dark paint.
and then some popsicle sticks, right?
Right.
And you're just gonna paint them on. and then we'll see how it looks tonight. Before you start, you probably should make sure your paints aren't all dried out though, right?
Right, check them before you get to your campsite.
That's right. We're having a little struggle, so I like how the blue is the same color as the assistant's fingernail polish. At least
Just a tad bit chunkier.
Oh, it fell over. Don't let it spill.
Oh, I don't think it will.
All right, so here's our first one. So we're gonna see what these look like tonight in the dark, right?
Right.
But we still have to go, why don't we go on a little nature hunt and then we'll get our s'mores.
Okay. Let's take a break from our camping hacks and look at some nature.
Yeah. I like this pond.
Down there is a turtle. It's staring at us.
You see it, people? He's covered in like a moss.
Hello, turtle.
I think he thinks we've got food for him.
Must be. We don't have any food for you.
Sorry, buddy, no food.
Oh! They're all coming towards it.
Oh, look, they are. They
Oh my goodness, they all think we have food. Oh, I think me yelling scared them.
We don't have, look how big he is. We do not have
There's
food.
two more behind it.
It's like a family of turtles.
Hello.
Guys, we're doing camping hacks. We're not doing turtle hacks.
Hello. That's a big one.
That's a big old turtle.
A nice clean shell. Oh, another one. Wash. Oh,
Whoa, look at that guy. He's got like orange on his head.
that one has like a little guy following him.
I wonder if that's the baby turtle. Pretty big, though.
They're all coming over here.
Should we try to find a baby turtle, assistant?
Yeah. They're like this tiny.
Let's go.
Look at all the turtles on the shore over there. They're sunbathing.
Do you see him over there? Right along the water's edge.
And then there's one right there.
Hey, buddy. All right, let's see if we can find that baby turtle. And the turtle. What's up, buddy? We won't bother him, will we?
Nope. There's more turtles right up here. Let's see if we can see a baby, but we gotta be really quiet.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Where are you going?
Oh, it's time to go in the water.
He's jumping in. All right.
Any baby turtles?
We saw some. Oh, look, there's some geese up here.
Some ducks. Hopefully they don't scare away the baby turtles.
Yeah, we need some baby turtles. Hey guys.
They're walking towards us.
Hey guys. You guys want to be in a YouTube video? You want to be in a video? Hey guys.
We won't bother you. Okay.
We're going to leave you alone. You want to be left alone? Yeah, we do. Oh, there's a baby turtle right there. You see it? Oh, it went under the water. You see it? Hey, wait.
Oh, they're following us.
Why are you guys coming back after us? Hey, did you guys change your mind not to be in the video? She sees one.
Okay, so we've been letting it sit here for a while, so now we're gonna open up our window.
Okay. Waffles is excited for the s'mores.
Okay.
You gotta be careful so you don't burn yourself, right?
Right.
Do you feel the heat coming out of it?
Yeah, I do. Okay, here, moment of truth. Oh, it's hot in there.
Is it? I'm sure it is. Oh yeah, ooh. Ah. So you gotta be careful. So here is our s'mores.
Whoa!
Oh, look at that chocolate.
Oh my goodness, the dogs are interested, but they can't have any.
Look at that s'more.
Oh, the graham cracker is nice and warm too.
So these are, and how do we make it?
With this solar oven.
Solar oven. So assistant,
Wiggles.
let's go tonight and see the rest of our hacks, how they work, the glow in the dark stuff, right?
Right, let's go look.
You're gonna have your s'more?
Okay.
Okay, assistant, it's really late at night. Let's see if our pine cones is glowing.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Whoa!
Look at that.
So cool.
Wow, so look at our glowing pine cone.
That's pretty cool. It will light up the path.
Okay, so now we have our black light. I'm gonna show you, and we've got to find our path.
See? Black light. Oh.
All right, so let's see if you can find the rocks that you left.
Here's the first one. 1.
There it is. See it right there?
Yes.
See the number 1? Good job.
Let's find number 2. Oh, here it is. 2.
Number 2. Good job. So we got to find that fidget spinner. Because if you just use a regular flashlight, you would never see the rocks.
3.
See, it's just like right there, it's just like a rock. But now watch. Number 3.
Okay, we gotta find. Well, there's 7, I think.
Yep, we gotta keep finding them.
Oh, 4, right here.
Number 4. Good job. Hey, look. It almost glows a little bit. All right, let's keep going.
Okay, 5.
Gotta find number 5. So this is kind of, even if you don't create a path, this is just kind of a fun activity, right?
Is this it? No. Where's 5? Huh.
So we gotta find that rock.
Here it is.
Oh, did you find it?
Yeah. 5.
Number 5. Oh yeah, that one was kind of harder to see, wasn't it?
It was flat.
Yeah.
Okay, 6.
We gotta find 6. And it's raining out too, and there's lightning bugs.
You see number 6? Oh, is that it?
Yeah, right there. Let's see.
Wait, oh, there it is. It was kind of hard to see because of the rain.
Oh, it got kicked over some point. Okay, and now we gotta find number 7 and find that fidget spinner, right?
Here it is, 7.
You find it? All right, so let's see. Number 7.
That means our fidget spinner is right here
There it is. Look, and you can kind of see it
in the black light.
in the black light. Super cool.
Awesome.
All right, so we followed our path and found
All of the clues.
and our fidget spinner.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome. Look, assistant, it's still glowing. That's some cool art.